Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Madeira cake step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 225 grams of softened unsalted butter and 225 grams of castor sugar. Also, prepare 4 large eggs, 300 grams of self-raising flour, and 50 grams of plain flour. Don't forget the zest of 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of milk to enhance the flavor and texture of your cake. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and castor sugar until the mixture becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, gradually beat in the eggs, one at a time, adding a spoonful of the measured flour with each egg to prevent curdling. Finally, gently fold in the remaining flours and the fresh lemon zest, then stir in the 2 tablespoons of milk until just combined. It's time to bake. First, prepare a 20-centimeter round cake tin by greasing and lining it with baking parchment. Carefully pour the prepared cake batter into the tin, smoothing the top evenly with a spatula. Bake your Madeira cake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 60 to 75 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a skewer into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let your beautiful Madeira cake cool in its tin for about 10 minutes before carefully turning it out onto a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures it sets properly and maintains its lovely texture. Once fully cooled, slice and enjoy your homemade Madeira cake, perhaps with a cup of tea or coffee. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.